In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable interface. We'll walk through the full process of building an interface inside Airtable, from opening your base all the way to previewing and publishing it for the right people. If you're new to Airtable, an interface is essentially a cleaner, more focused way to present your data, so teammates can interact with exactly what they need without digging through every table and field. To begin, open the Airtable base you want to use. This is important because your interface will be built directly from the data that already lives inside that base. Before moving on, it helps to make sure the base is organized and that the table or view you want to display is already set up the way you want. Once you're inside the correct base, click the Interfaces section. This is where Airtable keeps all interface pages and design options. If you haven't created one before, this area may look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. From there, start a new interface. This creates a fresh interface project that you can design around a specific workflow or audience. Airtable usually guides you through the setup, making it fairly beginner-friendly, even if this is your first time. Next, choose a layout. You can pick from options like a dashboard, record review, list, or form. The best choice depends on how you want people to use the interface. A dashboard works well for summaries and visuals. A record review is useful for detailed updates. A list is great for browsing data, and a form is ideal when you want users to submit information. After selecting the layout, connect the data by choosing the table or view the interface should use. This step tells Airtable exactly which records should appear in the interface. If you already created filtered views in your base, using one of those can help keep the interface focused and easier to navigate. Now, customize the elements in the interface. Depending on the layout, you can add charts, buttons, filters, lists, or record details. This is where the interface becomes truly useful. Try to keep it clear and purposeful so the most important information stands out. Avoid overcrowding the page, especially if multiple people will use it regularly. Before you share anything, preview the interface. This lets you check how everything looks and works from the user's perspective. Make sure the right data appears, the filters behave as expected, and the layout feels easy to understand. Finally, publish the interface and share it with the right users. Once it's published, others can start using it based on the permissions you provide, and that's how to create an Airtable interface from start to finish.